Hi, Mr. Brownstein, or Brownstein. I'm actually not sure of the pronunciation. Hopefully I got that right. This is your watch, and you have had this watch for a very long time. Notch case proof, has a service hand. You said that it's been sitting in drawers for a long time, and that recently, though, the crown fell off. And so, yeah, you can see that we've got a broken crown. The crown's broken off and the stem is broken as well. But you have your spring is in there, and you can just see the teeth of the gear. So these crowns are made. I'm sorry, these stems are made of 5 pieces: the stem, the gear spring, the crown, and the gasket. You've got 2 of 5. So hey, that's good news. 072333. That's a nice number. It's definitely original. It's definitely had service. That's a service sweep hand, but it's it looks like did someone paint that lower hand? Is that no? That looks original, doesn't it? I mean, all the hands here are Seiko. That's a service hand. I want to open up the back of this thing. Okay, that took a bit more work than I thought, but you said it has obviously been some time. Come on, off we get. Okay, hey, look at that. Seiko Service Center stamp. 2 of them. LA. Went to the Seiko Service Center twice. 6216 LA. So that's SII. It's Seiko Instruments. 6216. I'm not sure 100% what that means, but that's amazing. I can't remember I've seen watches with multiple Seiko service stamps before, but gosh, I have a real challenge in remembering how long ago that would have been. Pretty neat, though. Yeah, it just did not want to open up. Ancient gasket. It's got the A movement and an A bridge and a true Pogue style winding weight. That's cool. Everything looks pretty tight and clean. I mean, your lower mainspring arbor port is worn, but that is of absolutely no surprise. I'm seeing some up and down wiggle. Your balance is doing a little bit of this action. I don't know if you can look really closely at a reflection. You'll notice it goes back and forth. It's not terrible. Boy, it's an original watch, though. Sure is. I don't know. It's a runner. I wanted to... I just wanted to see if this thing resets to 0 or what. Yeah, it resets exactly dead on straight. Nice. Okay. I don't know. Pretty cool watch. That's what I have to say. I'm tickled about having 2 Seiko service stamps in there. I don't know where I'm going to put my mark. I'm not going to want to get rid of those. Which means I'm going to probably hand clean this case back rather than ultrasonic cleaning, because I don't want those service stamps to go away for you. You had mentioned that you were missing part of your bracelet. That's fine. I've got a million of those. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. That's my dog snoring. Looks good. No, I think it's pretty straightforward. Your loom, it looks brighter in this camera than it is in person. It's a little grayed out. I should be able to lighten that up. Your indicator ring is a little faded. Your original Type 2 crystal is hazy on the bottom. None of that is a surprise. Yeah, this is a Type 2 crystal. It would have originally had a Type 1, which, by the way, we now reproduce. Your case looks good. You got sharp case lines. I mean, you wore it. It's definitely got some wear, but you never abused it. Oh, it's a good watch. Oh, I think it's going to be pretty straightforward, then. I'm going to have to build you up a new stem, new complete stem with all... I have original genuine parts that I'll build up a new stem. That's going to be the biggest additional expense, but you knew that before you sent this in. We're going to be cleaning the dial loom. You can't really see here, but in person it really is. It's more grayed out. It looks much lighter in the camera than in person. So we'll have that. Mainspring arbor port, jewels top and bottom, movement service, Type 1 crystal, like I said, and a spring bar. But beyond that, I mean, you got you a nice watch. I look forward to working on it. You let me know if you want me to, if you have any questions, just let's go. Other than that, I can get you on the board and get you ready to start going. Thank you very much.